How to increase your subscribers. Now you have 500k views and you're wondering why is the subscribers not much. All right. Now I was passing through YouTube. All right. I saw a live stream, popular YouTubers. All right. Now something he said caught my attention, and I just want to let everyone like me that is trying to grow know the same thing. Okay. So in this video, I will be diving in what he said. All right. Now, if you have not subscribed, please, I will appreciate it if you can subscribe. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers. Okay. And I need your subscription. All right. So, like this video. And if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. All right. So, you see some people, they have 1 million views. They have, you'll be wondering, that 1 million views is meant to get them minimum of 30,000 subscribers. That is what that 1 million views should get them. Or maybe 500k views, and that's they should have a good subscription. The numbers should increase. All right. Now some of them do not get that, or maybe you're posting content every day, and your subscription is not increasing one after the other. My channels, every day there is always a subscription. One of my channel actually gets minimum of 1,005, 2,000, 3,000 on a monthly basis. Okay. The cheapest my that particular channel has actually gone is about 1,000 something in a month without a viral content. There is no viral content, it's just the regular. When you get a viral content, you get huge subscription. But with a regular posting and regular 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 10,000 subscription views, it is giving me it's giving me, constant subscription. All right. So if your channel is not growing and you're wondering, what are you not doing? What are you doing? Why am I not growing? Why is it not increasing? Okay, maybe it increased when you went viral from 5,000 to 8,000, and all of a sudden this pace is slow. Right. Now, when I was passing through the, TikTok, YouTube streets, and I saw that live stream, I stopped and I listened to what he was saying. He said that when he started YouTube newly, as of then, nobody was telling them anything about YouTube. Okay. Nobody to direct them. It was just everybody creating content. Nobody was doing anything about, how to grow on YouTube, how you do this, don't do this, do that, do that. So what he was doing then was he will just post content. He realized that he was getting views, but his subscribers are not going anywhere. Yes, some people are actually like that. I've actually, seen a channel that is about 800 something subscribers, and that particular channel have about 150k views video. One. There are so many other that are 10k, 20k, 5k, but that particular channel is still under 800 plus, not yet monetized. All right. Excuse me. So these are the things that particular channel is doing wrong. Now, when I was listening to what he said that he kept on, he was wondering what is happening, what is happening, what is happening. So it kept on happening, and he was asking what is happening. Then he actually attended a seminar, all right. And one of the person in that seminar, it's a YouTube seminar anyway. So the person was saying you need to ask your viewers to subscribe. It is not a shame, for you to tell them to subscribe. So he said that for you to, keep your subscription, keep going, you need to tell your viewers, ask them to subscribe. The way he put it made me to realize that, it is very important you tell your viewers to subscribe. You know, and the way he put it, he said there are people wants to be told what to do. People wants you to tell them what to do. Yes. So those people that wants you to tell them what to do, what you need to do is tell them to subscribe. All right. Tell them to like your video. Tell them to drop a comment section on the comment section, or drop a comment on the comment section. So if you want your channel to keep increasing in subscribers, you want your subscribers to be growing, make sure that every video you post, there is subscription. At the intro, subscription. In the middle of the video, please subscribe. At the end of the video, please subscribe. you know, he said he was, thinking, he was shy, when he started. He thinks maybe when you say subscribe, you're begging for it. That the seminar opened his eyes and he realized that people want to take instruction. Just like you're looking at me right now, please, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. I will appreciate your subscription. All right. Now, remember to hit the button, like the video, and if drop a comment on the comment section. So, telling your viewers to subscribe is not a crime, it's not shame. Say it with your face, with your everything. Be bold about it. Okay. People need instruction. Tell them to subscribe. That is why you're not getting subscription. All right. Now, someone can be carried away watching your video. All right. But immediately you say subscribe, the person will look down and subscribe. Right. So if your channel is not increasing in numbers, the pace is not good, and you're getting views, there are two things. You're not getting views does not mean, if you're not getting views, there's no way you'll be getting subscribers. All right. You need to get views to get subscribers. So when you're getting views and your subscribers are not coming, you check what are you not doing right. And one of the things you're not doing right, it is subscription. Now, one of the main important reason you should ask for it is long form videos. People watch videos without remembering to subscribe. People watch videos, they don't remember, they will just get carried away by your content. That thing they are learning from you. They get carried away. So, but when you keep telling them subscribe, 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 the first introduction, subscribe, middle of the video, please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, end of the video. At the end, you see that if you have about 2,000 views, about 100 or 50 will definitely subscribe. All right. So it is very important you ask your viewers to subscribe. That is the way to increase your subscription. Yes, that is the one and only way to increase your, to have a steady increase in your subscribers. It helps a lot. So, guys, if you have any question, feel free to drop it on the comment section. And remember to hit the subscription button. Subscribe to this channel. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. I will really appreciate it.